Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for joining me. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please subscribe before you go and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to make an all-natural juice with some simple ingredients. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. Moving right along, guys, here's a run through of my ingredients. Here I have cucumber, carrot, beetroot, ginger, and I'm going to pour all those in the blender and I'm going to blend. Then we'll go on to the other steps. Moving right along, guys, now I'm going to strain, and I'm going to have to strain this twice. So after straining it in a big strainer, now I'm going to pass it through a finer strainer. Then I'm going to add my lime juice. You can also use lemon, and you sweeten according to your tasting. And here are some health facts. Cucumber, it's a food that's low in saturated fat, and it's also very low in cholesterol and sodium. So it's a water-based fruit, guys. It helps to reduce weight loss also, guys. Carrots, they also have a lot of health benefits, and they are also a weight loss friendly food. And overall, it's also good for our skin. So you see, this juice can also be used as a weight loss juice too. And for the beetroot, it helps to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increase exercise performance. So you see, this is a good blend. And now you can pour and serve, or you can put it in the fridge to cool and enjoy, guys. All natural, no artificial flavoring, guys. And here you have it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something from this recipe and also try it. And give me a like, share, comment. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.